ये वीडियो इट्स वेरी रॉ एंड इट जस्ट जो मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ आई एम जस्ट सेइंग विदाउट एनी filtering or anything. 안녕하세요. 세상에서 제일 빛나는 별인 빛나 유튜브 채널에서 헌니입니다. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Also make sure to follow me on both of my Instagram account, and if you want to learn Korean for free, you can join my Telegram, which is Easing Korean by K. This video is gonna be a video where you'll get to know me, so like rebranding of my channel basically to my old Panchaks, and hello to the Panchaks like who just entered my Panchak family. So I'm Karnaka, 17 years old, and I'm from India, and I aspire to become a K-pop idol. I started dancing when I was in 2024. So it's been almost like 3 years since I started to like dance. But main dancing I started in 2025 around October December time pe, which is like where I actually like started to focus on dance ke basics and everything. And yes, I am that viral girl who went to Korea at 16, wo bhi akele. That thing can piss off a lot of people, but to be honest I don't care because truth is truth. Like मैं 16 years की एज में कोरिया खेले गई थी, सो बिकॉज इतने सारे लोग उस चीज़ मतलब लाइक मेरे को जानते भी नहीं है, बट सिर्फ उस एक बात से आई कैन ट्रिगर दैम. लाइक क्या बोलूँ मैं, sorry, strawberry milk break. Anyways, yeah, and I'll just tell you like as very like normally कि मैं कैसी इंसान हूँ. like मतलब कैमरा के आगे एंड कैमरा के पीछे of course there are two sides. I'm definitely not someone who is like always sweet to everyone. I do have मेरा frustration wala side when I'm like, if somebody is like putting like false allegations on me, so I will stand up for myself, and pretty much that's how I spent mera pura school life. Jitta bhi like bad stuff happened with me in school, I always stood up and I was like, you cannot blame me for something I never did. So I'm very vocal about something. like अगर कुछ मेरे साथ गलत होएगा या फिर anyone के साथ गलत होएगा and वो मेरी नज़रों में है, so I will definitely stand up for that person. And why I wanted to become a K-pop idol was mainly because मेरी बहन she was auditioning, but वो 2021 October 10th को था, and she was auditioning ITZY के Mafia in the Morning से. So उस टाइम पे I was like कि oh my god, like पहली बात तो मुझे गाना बहुत attract कर गया, like you know कि wow, like you know I'm the mafia, like वो line is just so like you know इतनी bold and everything. And उसके बाद मुझे क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे पता चला कि ये लोग लाइक इट्जी लाइक मतलब नॉट ओनली इट्जी बट उस टाइम पे सिर्फ इट्जी कि ये लोग गाते भी है, डांस भी करते हैं, यू नो दे जस्ट डू मॉडलिंग, एक्टिंग, जस्ट एवरी थिंग विच इज़ लाइक सुपर अमेजिंग. बिकॉज मुझे बचपन में लाइक आई वॉन्टेड टू बी अ एक्ट्रेस, देन आई वॉन्टेड टू बी अ एथलीट बिकॉज आई वॉज like so much into running and everything. And yeah, so I wanted to become a actress before, and it was in Bollywood. So अगर आप मुझे hate करते हो कि like I'm a Korea boo and I don't act Indian, so guys I started too much into Bollywood, and later on मेरा जो Bollywood का था the touch, it went away. I'm not talking about Tollywood like South Indian films or anything. I'm just talking about the Bollywood, like the just Bollywood in general, not about any other kind of movies जो इंडिया में होती है. So yeah, so मेरा interest like shifted to Hollywood. Then I wanted to become an actress in like Hollywood, but I at one point I just felt कि nah, Hollywood is not a place for me. Like I don't want to be in Hollywood as of now. And उस टाइम पे आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू लाइक गो इन टू हॉलीवुड, लाइक जस्ट दैट मैजिक के बाद तो मुझे जेन्युइनली आई वॉन्टेड टू सीरीज़ में वर्क करने का मेरा मन बहुत था. उसके बाद आई गॉट इन टू लाइक ऑल ऑफ दिस के पॉप कोरिया वर्ल्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ माई सिस्टर. लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मेरे सारे इंटरेस्ट लाइक आई एम नॉट गोना लाई, बट लाइक आई एम अ वेरी सिस्टर पगलू बिकॉज मुझे आई एम गोना क्राई. आई जस्ट लव माई सिस्टर बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि मुझे ये सब चीज़ें बोलनी नहीं चाहिए, बट आई एम जस्ट गोना बी रियली ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज इट्स एक्चुअली गेट टू नो मी वाला वीडियो एंड ये बहुत लंबा वीडियो होने वाला है. सो इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक अ स्टोरी टाइम समथिंग समथिंग. सो आई फील लाइक मेरी बहन इज़ लाइक यू नो लाइक एनी थिंग लाइक एवर लाइक कुछ भी मेरे साथ गलत होता था लाइक स्कूल में, सबसे पहले तो वो मेरी बहन को बुलाती थी लाइक फॉर नो रीज़न. पहली बात, स्कूल इज़ जस्ट स्टूपिड, ओके. एंड लाइक हमेशा दे यूज्ड टू लाइक यू नो मतलब everything on my sister, but like my sister was always like she stood with me even though हम लोग बहुत लड़ते हैं and like everything, you know, but end of the day like she's the only one like who's there, to be honest. Yeah, so like there are some people who I like love so much, including Panchaks as well, and of course like my best friend Sanvi, and even like one of my closest friends Lavanya. You know like इतने अच्छे लोग ना कभी नहीं मिलते, trust me. At first I used to feel like you know I'll just be friends with like everyone and like you know बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप में, but end of the day ना बड़े ग्रुप में आप कहीं के भी नहीं रह जाते. And just when I finished school I realized कि not everyone is meant to be with you. ये पता नहीं get to know me वीडियो तो नहीं है, it's just a story time because I just felt कि I need to tell something which is not related to about like this Kandaka but the past me. Before K-pop I had something else as well. So yeah, and then like you know मुझे स्कूल में I've always wanted कि मैं किसी चीज़ में अच्छी हो, but I was never able to, you know, because I feel like स्कूल ने एक बाउंड्री सेट कर दी थी जिसकी वजह से ओनली द पीपल, द स्कूल टीचर्स जो आप पसंद करते हैं, सिर्फ उन टीचर्स के फेवरेट बच्चों को चांस मिलता था. एंड वेल आई नेवर गॉट चांस टू बी ऑनेस्ट. स्कूल gave me nothing but two people, which is Sanvi and Lavanya, and I'm just super grateful. Like only for them, school ne just did that thing for me. So I'm thank you. Like I don't know, it's just like a very toxic relationship with school. Like for me, आप लोगों को लगता है कि like I'm such a no, but trust me, like school things really like school के like you know school में I used to be that one kid who used to be like very rebellious according to them, and rebellious according to them was like someone who stood for themselves. And agar teachers are wrong and the student is correct, and if the student and leta apne liye कि ma'am you are wrong and everything, but that's not how school works. Anyways, I'm just super grateful कि Sanvi and Lavanya were a part of this like whole तो नहीं, like Lavanya तो बहुत end में आई, but just grateful कि वो आ गई. And Sanvi was always there, like touch wood नहीं है, but okay. So yeah, so a lot of things happened with me, and really I'll tell you that I'm not used to like you know getting compared with anyone, even my sister, because मेरे parents they never compared me with anyone. So that's why I feel like कि like you know मुझे कोई compare करता, so I really feel like I don't ever like keep that kind of person like close to me. So that's just something I think it's something that मैंने कभी किसी को बताया नहीं है, मतलब as such like online. But yeah, anyways, then उसके बाद K-pop आया and everything आया, and yeah, about the comparison thing. So guys, like I am still a teenager and this is my last year being a child वाला teenager. So I just want to say कि do not expect me to act all mature and all, because I am still a kid, and if I want to act cute, which I don't try to, but it just हो जाता है because it's natural when I speak Korean में. But अगर आपको वो चीज़ पसंद नहीं है, so I don't want like ऐसे लोग मेरे YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करके रखे जो लोग मेरे को नेगेटिवली देखते हैं, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट नेगेटिव एनर्जी, एंड या फिर जो अपने आप को भी नेगेटिव देखते हैं, बिकॉज मैं आई डोंट वांट कि स्कूल वाला हिस्ट्री टू लाइक गेट रिपीटेड यूट्यूब पे भी. आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई एम जस्ट बीइंग लाइक रियली ऑनेस्ट, लाइक यू नो आई एम लाइक रियली टायर्ड. यू नो लाइक सबके वीक पॉइंट्स होते हैं, एंड इवन आई हैव माई वीक पॉइंट्स. ओके, आई हेट कंपैरिजन सो मच दैट I would never talk to you if you compare yourself with someone. You compare me, you compare anyone with anyone. I am assuring like कि मैं आपसे कभी like I'll never like even talk to you, because I hate comparison, because I have never been compared to anyone. So I cannot stand people comparing each other with, you know, because it's very toxic and triggering for me. Anyways, apart from that, उसके बाद I got into K-pop, and like when I started my K-pop journey, I was again like very bubbly. If you guys like know me from the start, I used to be like very bright सा. But उसके बाद I feel like little famous, थोड़ा सा famous होने के बाद people like started to like blame me for acting cute, for lying about my age, which I'll really say कि you don't know the backstory, so it's better if you don't comment. And अगर आपको comment करना भी है तो start a YouTube channel first, and then उसके बाद slowly you post what you love, and उसके बाद people will start criticizing you for what you like post. उसके बाद you comment on my videos, and then I'll see कि आपको कैसा feel होता है, because I don't understand why people pull each other down. Especially I've seen कि like my age के लोग, they don't want others to go उनसे ऊपर, और वो खुद भी मेहनत नहीं करेगी कि वो उधर तक पहुँचे जहाँ तक दूसरे लोग उनके हैं. So it's again like बहुत toxic सी चीज़ है. So I would recommend कि if you are like, you can still stop that habit, because trust me, सबकी bad habits होती है. Even I have bad habits, okay, and I'm not blaming like anyone, but अगर आप अपने भले के लिए किसी और को नीचे गिरा रहे हो या किसी और को नेगेटिव एनर्जी दे रहे हो, then that is not really cool. It's very low standard वाला thing हो गया. I think it's a get to know me only. But anyways, I just wanted to talk because I feel like a lot of you guys, like I feel like 72,942 पंचाक में से I feel like only गिनती के like 10 approximately panchaks really knows me. I'm sorry because मेरा mind is like very but yeah, this video I'm just posting for you कि not only to get to know me but to understand other के feelings भी, because मतलब I just don't want कि आप लोग किसी को उनके बारे में बुरा फील करवाओ, because I don't understand why people दूसरों के weak points पे क्यों ऐसे पिन मारते हैं. Like, do you feel happy? Because I don't. And do you think that they will feel good like if you just like, for example, let's say like the most common things जो almost सब लोग मेरे बारे में लिखते हैं, it's like my dark circles. So for me, you don't know the back history of my dark circles, so I would say you guys should not say मतलब not my panchaks but the people who don't know me, or like just anyone. I don't think you have a right say anything to my dark circles or just anyone. आप किसी को भी किसी के looks, किसी के body, किसी के thoughts, किसी के opinions पे आप comment नहीं कर सकते, because you don't have a right to do that. There was a point when I used to be like नहीं मेरे opinions ही like top पे है, but I think I got out of that, and सबकी personality changes as they start to age, as they start to get mature. For me guys, I'll just tell you like, you know, एक चीज़ कि I will act the way I want to be, because this community is built for the people who like the way I act. तो मतलब who are like not seeing me and getting jealous. Basically उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग मेरे को देख के दे टेक अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टू देयर ड्रीम, बिकॉज मैंने ये चैनल कभी बनाया ही नहीं था कि किसी और को मेरी वजह से लाइक जेलसी हो, बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स हैव टॉट मी कि किसी को नीचे दिखा के अपने आप को ऊपर रखना इज़ नॉट कूल. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू दैट, एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू सी लाइक मेरे को in that way कि जहाँ पे like I'm going to Korea and I'm just like I did nothing and I just went like without any hard work, without anything. Guys, everything takes time, and you don't know how much I manifested to go to Korea, and I'm just so grateful, like beyond grateful कि मेरे को chance भी मिला कोरिया जाने का. And trust me, there was not a single day when I did not miss my parents, okay? I always like random days pe I'll cry because I'm missing my parents. Random day pe I cry because I'm missing my sister. Random day pe I cry because I'm missing my best friend. Random day pe I'll cry because I'm missing Lavanya. Random day pe I'll cry because I'm missing Anu Didi. Random day पे I'll cry because I'm missing Enhypen with Heesung. किसी की भी लाइफ ऐसे स्मूथ नहीं चलती, okay? But I'm just grateful कि like even not being in a country where I like in India, even though being like Korea mein, I did not face any problems. Like there was not a single day when I had to go empty stomach. I just want to say कि like I'm so grateful. At one point like 3 years back, like when I just started to get into K-pop and everything, and उससे भी साल like almost like बहुत पहले when I was like 6 or 7 something, that's like जब मैंने सोचा था कि like I'm gonna do YouTube, and you know just trying to act like someone who I was not. So I learned that कि originality is the key. People will hate you for your originality. Like guys, trust me, like me speaking Korean in my Korean voice, in my Korean accent, because I was 13 when I started like learning Korean. So आप मुझसे क्या expect करोगे कि मेरा accent, of course it's not matured enough because I started to learn Korean 13 पे, तो so of course मेरा accent is like वही, because that's how I learned it. And ये बात तो English में अगर आप बोलोगे तो sometimes when I switch from Korean to English मेरा accent change होता है, और sometimes I do make it up, like when I'm talking to my friends who are not Indian, my accent do change and I don't feel bad because I'm not making it up, it's just coming natural. Okay, apart from that, I just want to like say कि this community should be as positive as I can. Long videos I'm posting because I want to see कि like you know, because shorts पे तो सब लोग आ जाते हैं, shorts पे तो you don't know कौन पंचक है, कौन नहीं है, कौन hater है, कौन नहीं है. बट जो वीडियोज़ है ना, जो वीडियोज़ पे जो देखते हैं ना वीडियोज़, आई थिंक दे आर द वंस हु कनेक्ट्स विद मी वे मोर बेटर. सो वीडियोज़ में, trust me, videos I am just making for the true panchaks and like for me when I grow up, कि मैं देख सकूँ कि like yes I had a community with मेरे panchaks. I just don't know, like I feel like जिन लोगों ने अभी स्टार्ट करा है, they just feel that I've got everything like just in like a plate, in a golden or silver spoon, whatever it's called. But trust me, मुझे प्लेट भरनी पड़ी and उसमें almost 50% वो my parents, 10% was अनु दीदी, 10% was my best friend, 10% was K-pop and everything, and 20% was me. So guys, I did 20% at least, and I'm not saying that, to be honest, मैं यहाँ तक इसलिए आ पाई हूँ because there were people behind me. There were like लोग थे जिनने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया. So I'm never gonna be कि मैं यहाँ पे अकेले आई हूँ. Of course came with a lot of help. I have never lied to you guys. I don't think I need to explain because the ones who are watching this are like the true पंचक्स. सो मुझे आप लोगों को तो एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट जो लोग मुझे नहीं जानते उनको मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाहती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज इट्स टू फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर मी. एंड आज आई एम लाइक सुपर टायर्ड बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट गेट स्लीप एट ऑल. या बट उसको हटा दो. सो गाइज, आई एम जस्ट सो happy and grateful कि I was able to go to Korea, and not once, not twice, but thrice. Yeah, I'm just so thankful to everyone. And yeah guys, I'm gonna be like the Karnika जो है, because हमेशा बोलती हूँ like कि मैं कितना भी थैंक यू बोलूँ उतना कम है. It just because if my parents were not here, I wouldn't have been here, and if I wasn't here, you guys wouldn't have been here, and if you guys wouldn't have been here, I wouldn't have been to Korea. So just super grateful, and again I just love you guys so much. And apart from that, I'm gonna be making more videos me speaking in Korean, and this was a very serious video because मुझे बहुत, I just wanted to talk like from like you know, not from mind, without thinking. I was just talking from my heart. I did not think before talking. Like मतलब मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि like you should सोचो पहले बोलने से, but this time I just like जो भी मेरा दिल में आया, like whatever like came into my heart, I just yes. And if I did like by mistakenly भी अगर मैंने कुछ भी गलत बोला, so you guys feel free to like you know tell me, because सबके अलग opinions होते हैं, as I said before. But apart from that, thank you so much for watching, and I'm just super grateful. Almost like 72,900 हो चुके हैं. So we are about to reach 73,000 panchaks. But yeah, I'm just gonna have my sandwich and everything, and yeah. उसके अलावा तो I don't have anything much to say, but I hope कि आपको get to know me like you got to know me more better and everything. आपको हाय बोलना है.
हाय, कैसे हो?
अच्छी हो. आप कैसे हो?
मैं तो अच्छा हूँ.
आपका नाम क्या है?
हर्षल 오자.
오케이, 그럼 지금까지 핀나였습니다. 구독과 좋아하고 알람 설정 꼭 눌러주세요. I love you so much. Bye bye. 끝. Bye bye.
बाय बाय.
ऐसे कर दो.